Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to make a rock paper scissors board. So this project is made by Kathy. So we'll just make this project in CodeSkool using Raspberry Pico. So Pico is a much cheaper hardware and using CodeSkool you can program easily in MicroPython. So we'll look into the same how you make this rock paper scissors kind of demo. So when you press the button, it will show you one out of three choices. So this is our code. So like we have defined here two variables, button, choice and servo, three variables actually. So button is initialized to GPIO 18 and servo is initialized to GPIO 1. And I have set this minimum duty and max duty for this servo because like the default does not work for my servo, which is SG90. Reasons it may be, but like this settings works much better for me on SG90 servo. So in a forever loop I'm just checking if the button is pressed, and if the button is pressed I'm turning the default LED on and I'm playing the game and waiting for 2 seconds and I'm turning it off. So in the play game, like I'm choosing just a random number between 1 and 3 inclusively, and if the choice is 1 I'm setting the servo as to its lowest position. If the choice is 2 I am setting the servo to the mid position, and if the choice is 3 I am setting the servo to its max position, which is 1. And I'm printing here rock, paper and scissors. So based on like what position the servo it is, you can have like 3 different arms attached to the servo, and like whichever position it is it would display in that small rectangular window that particular arm. So it will display only one arm at that time on that window position. So as you can see, like this is a very simple code, so I have just uploaded it, and when I press this button it will just rotate the servo to one of this three position, which is 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.